Hello, children! Welcome to Kids Torah Time. And today we are going to talk about Parshat vayigash.
In the years of famine, hunger, the brothers of Yosef went to Egypt and found out that he is second to the king. Do you want to see what hunger is? This is hunger. One dead carrot for the whole family. Everything is empty. Everything is empty. One rotten apple for the whole family. This is hunger. This is famine.
Yosef is alive, the ruler of Mitzrayim. Yosef is alive, the ruler of Mitzrayim.
Sarah, my child, my grandchild, what are you talking? What are you singing? Yosef is not alive.
The brothers told me Yosef is alive.
I wish.
Mitzrayim.
Papa,
Yes, Yehuda. What is the matter?
we sent Sarah to
Yes.
sing it to you because it's true.
Really?
Yosef is alive. He's
Yosef
the
is alive.
ruler of Egypt.
Wow, I'm so happy. I'm shivering from happiness.
Yes,
wow,
Papa,
wow,
yes,
wow,
it's
wow.
true.
Yosef is
Yes,
alive.
Yes, Papa.
Oh, I have tears of happiness. Oh, Yosef is alive. Oh, what a beautiful wagon. And the calves. Oh, so many wagons. Yosef, wow, you sent me so many wagons. And the calf, you are such a smart son. Before you left, I studied with you about the calves. And here is a symbol of the calves. Oh, what a smart boy I have, Yosef. Okay, let me get into the wagon that you sent me. Oi. Why didn't you send me such a small, narrow wagon? Okay, let me get in the wagon. I will try very hard. Oh, Yosef, you almost killed me. But thank God. We are going to go to Egypt to see. Benjamin, look at the beautiful view. We are on our way to Egypt with all the wagons around us. Wow.
I cannot believe
Benjamin,
it.
why do you think Yosef did such terrible things to your brothers?
I'm sure one reason. He wanted us to make tshuva, and we did. The first thing, we admitted that it was terrible to throw our brother to the pit and sell him. You're scaring me,
In the pit. Ooh.
And we tore our clothing, and we were bowing to him, and we were crying. And the third thing, that he knows that we changed, because Yehuda said we are not giving up another brother. We'll make a war on Egypt.
So I want you to know that he did not do it out of revenge.
No.
Yosef did everything out of love. He loves you, all of you.
Yes. Thank you, Papa.